Torrential slide value equivalent to 300.78 rands a coin. The present cost range, 294.10, 306.47. The earlier day close, 300.99. The change was 0.21. 0.07%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Avalanche cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 15. Cost 303 rands. High 324. Low 282. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday. Walk 16. Cost 335 rands. High 358. Low 312. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday. Walk 17. Cost 326 rands. High 349. Low 303. Torrential slide estimate on Monday. Walk 20. Cost 339 rands. High 363. Low 315. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 21. Cost 326 rands. High 349. Low 303. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday. Walk 22. Cost 306 rands. High 327. Low 285. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 23. Cost 300 rands. High 321. Low 279. Torrential slide estimate on Friday. Walk 24. Cost 309 rands. High 331. Low 287. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday. Walk 27. Cost 303 rands. High 324. Low 282. In about 14 days torrential slide estimate on Tuesday. Walk 28. Cost 291 rands. High 311. Low 271. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29. Cost 281 rands. High 301. Low 261. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday. Walk 30. Cost 279 rands. High 299. Low 259. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday. Walk 31. Cost 289 rands. High 309. Low 269. Torrential slide gauge on Monday, April 3. Cost 277 rands. High 296. Low 258. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4. Cost 271 rands. High 290. Low 252. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, April 5. Cost 279 rands. High 299. Low 259. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, April 6. Cost 270 rands. High 289. Low 251. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, April 7. Cost 252 rands. High 270. Low 234. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 10. Cost 247 rands. High 264. Low 230. In about a month torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, April 11. Cost 235 rands. High 251. Low 219. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12. Cost 240 rands. High 257. Low 223. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, April 13. Cost 257 rands. High 275. Low 239. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for Walk 2023. To start with cost at 313 rands, exorbitant cost 363, while low cost 257. Found the middle value of cost 306. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 289. Change for spring 7.7%. Torrential slide estimate for April 2023. To start with cost at 289 rands, exorbitant cost 299, while low cost 219. Found the middle value of cost 271. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 278. Change for April 3.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 278 rands. Excessive cost 278. While low cost 236. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 262. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 254. Change for May 8.6%. Torrential slide conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 254 rands. Excessive cost 316. While low cost 254. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 280. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 295, change for June 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 295 rands, excessive cost 295. While low cost 231, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 267. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 248, change for July 15.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for August 2023. Before all else cost at 248 rands, excessive cost 248. While low cost 193, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 224. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 208. Change for August 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 208 rands, excessive cost 253. While low cost 208, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 226. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 236, change for September 13.5%. Torrential slide conjecture for October 2023. Before all else cost at 236 rands, excessive cost 241. While low cost 209, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 228. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 225, change for October 4.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at 225 rands, excessive cost 225. While low cost 176, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 204. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 189. Change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 189 rands, exorbitant cost 234, while low cost 189. The found the middle value of cost 208. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 219. Change for December 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 219 rands, exorbitant cost 219, while low cost 171. The found the middle value of cost 198. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 184. Change for January 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 184 rands, exorbitant cost 184, while low cost 144. The found the middle value of cost 167. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 155, change for February 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 155 rands, exorbitant cost 155, while low cost 121. The found the middle value of cost 100.